Okay, guys.
They like to be addressed.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they did. They told me. Okay. Hey, happy campers. It is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine. And today we're going to be taking an inside and outside look at this 2024 Grand Design Transcend 261BH. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hop on over to Google and leave us a review saying that you love these videos. Now, let's get started. In the outdoor entertainment space, we do have a couple nice options. Out here, we do have this awning. This awning is really large. It does cover your entryway and goes all the way down to the end of your camper. This is perfect and gives you a little shaded option. So if you're out here having a party, you want to be nice and shady, you can do that. They also have an LED light out here for you. It really lights things up when it is dark outside. Also, a thing that we've been noticing with some of the Transcends, they do come with the indoor-outdoor speaker system and some don't. So make sure if you're interested in one to check with your dealer and see if the one that you like does have a speaker system or if it doesn't. But this one has come with that option. So as you can see, we do have a couple speakers in here, so that allows you to listen to your music both indoors and outside as well. Also out here, you have your G-Class all-glass entryway. I love these doors. They're nice and reflective so you can see yourself as you're walking up. Also in the top, you can't really tell while we're out here, but there is a kind of see-through part at the top up there so you can see inside of your camper just a little bit, which is a nice touch. Also, you have this handle right here. This is perfect for those people who can't get in and out as easily. This thing is really sturdy, so you're gonna be able to get into the camper with ease. Also, I don't know if you guys have noticed this out here, but they have given you a more light outside exterior out here, so it is just lighter, nicer option out here. Now, let's check out my favorite part. On the end of your camper, on your entertainment side, you do have an outdoor kitchen. This is perfect if you want to have a nice little grilling party outside. It comes with this little griddle right here. This one is a capital griddle. Sometimes that can change, so also check with your dealer. But this allows you to cook some nice meals outside. This also pushes easily right back into there, and there is a latch so you can keep that nice and secured. There's also this open space right here, so if you do want to throw a couple pots and pans in there, maybe you want to leave your buns in there over the weekend while you're getting ready to cook, you can do that. There also is a miniature fridge out here, perfect for some drinks. You want to throw your hot dogs in there, hamburgers, all your items in one place. It's nice for that as well. Now, let's check out the storage. At the very front of your Transcend, you do have your pass-through storage space. This is a huge area down here so you can put all of your items you're going to want while you're at the campground. They've given you this nice, easy to clean out flooring down here. So things tend to get dirty when they're outside at the campground or your campsite. So you can easily clean things up when you bring that into your storage space. Also on the other side down there, you do have your battery disconnects and a couple other plugins and things you're gonna need while you're at the campground. Now, let's check out the inside. Right next to your entryway of your Transcend, they've given you these nice little hooks right here. This is perfect to hang up your raincoats, your keys, or if you're taking your dog to the campground with you, you can throw a leash up right there, everything together in that nice little space. Also across from that is our control panel. This has all your controls, including your main light with a dimmer switch in here. You also can control your slides, your awnings, your exterior light, and you also have your water pump right there as well. And they've also given you a nice little mudroom area in this camper. It has this countertop right here with an electrical outlet. So if you do want to plug some things in right here, you can do that. You have two drawers, and underneath they've given you this shelving unit, perfect for your bags, and underneath a nice little area for your shoes. I would just kick my shoes off right when I get in, stuff them under there, and they're out of the way, all in this nice little area. Now, let's check out the kitchen. In your kitchen, you have plenty of countertop space, so if you are wanting to have a little buffet with your family, you're going to have plenty of room to do that. Also, a nice little thing about that mudroom area that I showed you, you can use that countertop over there for a little extra space for your buffet. That is nice as well. We also have plenty of cabinet space up here. These are super roomy, giving you places for your cups, your dishes, other items. You can easily wash them in your sink and then just place them right up here out of the way. In the middle, we have more cabinet space, perfect for your glasses. You can also use this as a little bar area. You want to put your wine or your liquor and some glasses up there, you can do that. You also have this open cabinet right here, perfect for your spices, or since your sink is right here, if you want to throw some sponges, soaps up there as well, you can do that. Down here, you have your open sink. I would call this like a farmhouse style sink. It's just a very open space, really cute, very aesthetic and just kind of pulls in that farmhouse feel. You also have a retractable nozzle right here on your sink, and over here in this area you do have a couple electrical outlets as well. So if you want to set up like a little coffee bar area, or you just want to plug in some other items, you do have those electrical outlets to do that. Underneath you have even more storage. They have given you another little open space right here. I said you could put your sponges up here. Honestly, this is just a small little space. That is the perfect area to do that. Underneath, you have this open space, perfect for more cleaning supplies. You could even put a smaller little trash can under there. On both sides, you have more storage and some drawers. Put your silverware in here. Maybe you just want a nice little junk drawer right next to the door. You can do that as well. I already put my phone in there so you guys could see that. Moving on over here, this is our one slide in the camper, and it has lots of stuff going on over here. We have our typical 3-burner stovetop with that little splash guard. You can cook your nice meals right here. And underneath, they've given you 2 very large drawers. These are perfect for your pots and pans or any other items you want to store in your kitchen area. But I know you're thinking, where is my oven at? Because that's typically under this stovetop. Don't worry, they've given you this Furrion microwave that is actually a convection microwave, so it doubles as an oven, and it actually has an air fryer function as well. So 3-in-1 microwave, oven, and air fryer. That's gonna free up some counter space. So if you typically bring your air fryer with you, you don't have to do that anymore. It's all up here ready to go for you. Also in our slide, we do have our Furrion fridge. This fridge is a great size. Plenty of room in it. You're not going to be hurting at the campground if you want to take lots of food items with you. You're going to have plenty of space to do that. Also underneath the fridge, they've given you this little drawer. You can also opt for a pet dish option. They have 2 little bowls you can easily set in there. So if you don't want your dog's food just laying out and about, you can have it right in this little space right here. Now, let's check out the rest of the camper. We've talked about it in some of our other videos, and this one has an upgrade as well. In this Transcend, Grand Design has opted for these seamless LED light strips in here. These actually go over the seams in your camper. So usually there's those big seam strips in here, not anymore. They've placed these lights over it. So it kind of just gives it more of a put together feel in here, and it really brightens up this area at night. When you turn these on, it's going to be nice and illuminated. And I showed you guys that there is that dimmer switch over on your control panel. So if they're a little bit too bright, you can set that setting to whatever you want and really make it feel at home. Now, let's check out your theater seats. In your living area, you have these nice theater seats. These are in the same slide that shares with your fridge. So you have this seating option, perfect for all of your guests. I would love to sit here and watch a movie with my guests at the campground. In your seats, you have 3 cup holders, so if everybody wants a drink, they can easily set them right here. You also do have a little bit of storage right here, so this easily pops up, and it has a nice storage space in here. This is easily enough space for a tablet, remotes, plenty of things could fit down in this space. Also, there is a little lever right here. It's just a little pulley. You pull this out and your feet do come out, so you can get nice and comfortable and watch the game. And let's check out where we're going to be watching that game at. Across from our slides, we do have our entertainment and dinette area. Over here, you have this smart TV on a swivel. So this easily pops out and you can move it so multiple people in the camper can get a good view of that TV. We also have some storage space up here. You can put some small board games in here. If you had a smaller gaming console, you could easily fit that back there as well. On the other side, that opens up and you do have more storage up top, and you also have your indoor-outdoor speaker system right there. So that's kind of where you control all your music, both indoors and outdoors. Also in this area, we do have our dinette. I actually love the dinette in this Transcend. It is one of my favorites because I'm a gingham girly, and they've given you this nice little gingham cushions on here. It really, as I said, it's kind of a farmhouse feel in here. Just makes it feel really at home, and I absolutely love that. They've also given you this nice wood grain table in here. This is perfect to eat a meal with your family. It's kind of like a booth style, so you do have plenty of room in here. You're not stressed for elbow room. You can eat your meal pretty peacefully. Also in here, we do have our window, so you can get some views while you're eating dinner. And down below, there is a couple more storage options. Those open up and you can easily put some stuff down there. Also, you can store plenty of items in there. And one more cool thing about this dinette area, this table actually easily pops down, and this is another sleeping space. So if you do have extra guests who want to go to the campground with you, you can fold these cushions in, and this is another bed for them to sleep as well. Now, check out the bunk area. Over here we have 2 large bunks. These are perfect if you're gonna take all your grandkids, or if you have a few kids and they wanna go to the campground with you. These are super roomy. You could easily fit 2 larger kids back here in both of the bunks. Also, if people are out here watching a movie or hanging out eating dinner and the kids are ready for bed and they kind of want to be in their own little space, each bunk does have its own privacy curtain, so they can easily shut that, go to bed, and they do have their own light switch back here. They can just click that, turn it off, and go to bed. Also, they do have their own USB and USB-C port, as well as an electrical outlet back here, so they can charge all their tablets. I know kids don't really use alarm clocks anymore. Back in my day, I'd want my alarm clock back there because I'm an early riser. So they have all that, they can do that too. And one of the cool things about this as well, there is another storage space back here. So under this bunk, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is a huge storage space. You could easily put all of their luggage back there. Anything you want to put, if you want to put some tote bags back there as well, there's going to be plenty of space for that. And another cool thing about the bunks is they are in super close proximity to the bathroom. So let's check that out. We have this nice sized bathroom back here, and it has a couple storage spaces in here as well. Over here we do have our sink with a little bit of counter space up here too, and it does have an electrical outlet. So if you have an electric razor or any other hairstyling tools or things like that that do need to be plugged in, you can do that in your bathroom too. Above you do have a mirror with a medicine cabinet in it, so it has space back there for your toilet paper, your toiletries, your makeup, anything you want to put back there. Under your sink, you also do have another small storage space. This is a little bit more on the small side, but you could put probably a tinier trash can in there, so if you do want to throw some things away in there as well. Over to the other side of me, we do have our step to flush toilet with this nice open storage unit right here. This is perfect to wrap your towels up, and you can easily place them in there so you can make it look kind of cutesy, but also see what towels are clean, so you can have those for your shower. Over here, they have given you a couple little hooks as well. This is perfect for your robes or your towels, washcloths. If you want to just hang a bathing suit up there, if you've been at a lake campground, you can do that too. And behind me, we have our shower. This is a roomy shower, perfect for those taller people, and you also do have a skylight in here, giving you a little bit of natural light back here in the bathroom. This shower does have a detachable shower head, perfect to wash your hair or wash your dogs if you're bringing them with you as well. You also have some little shelving units back here. I throw my shampoos up here. If you want to put some soap, maybe a razor, you can put that there as well. Now, let's check out the bedroom. In your Transcend, you also have a lovely private bedroom with a queen size bed and lots of storage. Above me, we have this nice open storage area. This is perfect to throw your bags in, or if you want to fold up some pajamas and have them nice and tucked away up there, you can do that as well. And on both sides, you also have a little closet area. This does have a mirror on both sides, and it opens up and has a hanging rod in there. So if you have some clothes you want to put on hangers and have them nice and hung up instead of folded, you can place those in there. And you also have a drawer on both sides. This is perfect to fold up your socks or your underwear, maybe a bathing suit or some other smaller items. You can easily place those in those drawers. Also on both sides, you do have an electrical outlet and a USB and USB-C port. And you also have a couple of windows back here, so you're not missing out on those lovely campground views. If you're interested in this Transcend or any other unit in our Grand Design line, make sure you give us a call or visit us at cookeville.com, where your adventure awaits.